Hi guys! In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to solve or fix oversaturated colors in Photoshop and bring your image back to a more balanced, natural look. So, let's get started. First, right-click on your main image layer and select Duplicate Layer.
Now turn off the original image layer so we can work on the duplicate. Next, go to Image Adjustments Curves. In the Curves dialog box, click Options. Under Algorithm, select Enhance per Channel Contrast, then press OK.
Now let's fine-tune the colors. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Inside Camera Raw, open the color mixer. Under Saturation, set the red on +74. Then adjust the orange on +11 and yellow saturation to around +10. Next, go to the Hue section. Make small adjustments to the red, orange and yellow channels, around 10 each, to help balance the overall color. You can fine-tune these values depending on your image. The goal is to reduce the overly strong colors while keeping the image looking natural. Once you're satisfied with the result, press OK. And that's it. Here's the before and here's the after. That's a quick and simple way to fix oversaturated colors in Photoshop without completely changing the original look of your image. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Photoshop tutorial.